Here we have a Volkswagen Tiguan R-Line, 2 litre, TDI, 150 PS, DSG. Now as you can see, the car is in great condition and it comes with many features. These include adaptive cruise control with front assist, tinted rear windows, automatic LED headlights and a glass panoramic sunroof with sunblind. It also comes with 21-inch Suzuka alloy wheels, as well as a spacious boot with a spare wheel. The interior includes heated front seats, wireless app connect and 3-zone climate control. For more information on this fantastic car, as well as many others, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.